Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best tire levers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any cyclist's arsenal, especially when you're faced with a flat tire miles away from home or a bike shop. These seemingly simple devices are your first line of defense against being stranded, and having the right set can transform a frustrating roadside repair into a quick and manageable task, ensuring you get back on the road with minimal delay and maximum confidence. Number 5. WOTOW 16-in-1 Bike Repair Toolkit. Introducing the WOTOW 16-in-1 Bike Repair Toolkit, your ultimate companion for any cycling adventure. This comprehensive set is designed to handle all your basic repair needs on the go. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, this tool is built to withstand tough use and resist corrosion. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance trip after trip. Equipped with a wide range of Allen keys, socket wrenches, a screwdriver, and a spoke wrench, it ensures you're prepared for any situation. It even includes a socket extension rod for added versatility. Designed for convenience, this tool folds down to a mere 3.5 by 1.8 by 1.1 inches. Its mini size makes it easy to slip into your saddlebag or pocket without adding any extra weight. Included are 3 nylon tire levers, making it simple to remove your inner tube. These are invaluable for quick and easy repairs, especially when dealing with a flat tire. A separate Allen wrench is provided to easily adjust the tool's hinge. This ensures it stays securely tightened during use or can be loosened if it becomes too stiff. What we like. This multi-tool is built to last with its chrome vanadium steel construction. It's incredibly compact, making it easy to carry on any ride. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for minor repairs and tire changes, this is a great choice for everyday cyclists. What people say. The tire levers are sturdy and don't bend or break easily. The design of the levers makes it easy to get under the tire bead and pry it off. Comes with a small case to keep everything organized. Number 4. Gorilla Force Bike Tire Levers, Lava Red. Introducing the Gorilla Force Bike Tire Levers, your reliable companion for easy tire removal and installation. Trusted by cyclists and bike shops since 2015, they are perfect for all your cycling needs. Struggling with tight tires is a thing of the past. These levers make removing and installing even the most stubborn tires a breeze, thanks to their smart design and sturdy construction. Engineered with a proprietary plastic, these levers are incredibly strong yet gentle on your rims. They won't scratch your expensive aluminum or carbon fiber wheels, ensuring your bike stays looking great. Experience superior handling with their ergonomic design. The textured grips and curved arch provide excellent control, preventing slips and making tire changes smoother and safer. Featuring a wide spoke clip system, these levers stay securely in place. This makes difficult tire removals easier and allows for convenient storage on your workbench or toolkit. Their clever clip-together design ensures they stay organized and compact. Easily store them in your saddlebag or jersey pocket, ready for quick repairs wherever your ride takes you. What we like. These levers are engineered for super tight tires, making removal and installation a breeze. Their proprietary plastic won't scratch your rims, and the design offers excellent control. If you frequently deal with stubborn tires or want to protect your valuable rims, these are the levers for you. What people say. Plastic material will not scratch your rims. The size of the tool is quite large and there is a nice feature, they lock together so they are not cumbersome to store. These levers are strong and are well enough designed, with a small hooked end, to get the job done. These are great at removing a tire because the tip side profile shape is aggressive and thin. They can really get under a tire. Number 3. Premium Bicycle Tire Lever Tool. Introducing the Premium Bicycle Tire Lever Tool, an essential cycling accessory. This durable tool is designed for the simplest and most basic of repairs. Crafted by a cyclist for those who love cycling, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. The textured surface provides enhanced control when changing tires. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It's strong enough to handle even the toughest tires without damaging your rims. Each lever is designed to securely snap together for convenient storage. Keep them neatly organized in your toolbox or workshop. We are committed to providing only high-quality products. Enjoy peace of mind with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these levers are incredibly durable and won't rust. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during tough jobs. If you prefer the reliability and strength of metal tools and want something that will last for years, these are an excellent option for your toolbox. What people say. Since they're thin and strong metal, I find these to be way better than the chunky plastic levers that are commonly recommended. I've used these to swap out plenty of tires and have never had issues with puncturing tubes or damaging rims. The lever is ergonomically designed to be easy to hold, allowing for a comfortable grip. Additionally, the molded-in texture on the lever helps provide an even better grip on the tire irons, making repairing a flat bicycle tire a hassle-free experience. The material used in the construction of these tire levers is stainless steel. This makes them durable and long-lasting and ensures that they will not rust over time. The strength of the stainless steel material is impressive, as it allows the levers to remove even the toughest tires easily. Number 2. Tyre Glider Original Bicycle Tire Lever. Experience the superior strength of our professional-grade tool, engineered in the UK from high-tensile nylon. It's built to handle the toughest tires without breaking, offering unparalleled reliability. This is the only tool that truly clips onto your rim, freeing your hands for better control. Its patented design allows you to use your body weight, making tire changes genuinely effortless. Our unique clipping mechanism and smooth polymer surface ensure a secure, damage-free fit every time. Change your tires with confidence, knowing your valuable equipment is completely safe. Designed and tested to work with almost all tire and rim combinations. It's suitable for everything from narrow road tires to wide mountain bike setups, and for both tubed and tubeless systems. We are so confident in its durability that we offer a lifetime guarantee. If you ever experience an issue, we will replace your tool immediately, making it the last one you'll ever need. What we like. This tool features a patented clip-on design that makes tire changes effortless, allowing you to use your body weight. It's made from high-tensile nylon that protects your rims and tubes. If you want the easiest and safest tire changing experience, especially for difficult tires, this is the tool for you. What people say. It also was incredibly easy to put on. Literally just insert and pull the tire around. I have never replaced a tire this easily. This tool works great. I used it on my carbon rims with gator skin tires far better than standard tires levers. When I used them I could hear cracking from the pressure on the rim's top edge. With Tyre Glider, no noise, no overpressure on the rim's top edge. This gadget took my battle down to about 15 to 20 seconds for my winter marathon plus just now. Unbelievable. It converts body weight and leverage into a very easy process. Number 1. Park Tool TL 1.2, TL 4.2, TL 6.2 tire levers. Meet the industry standard in bike tools. Whether you're fixing a flat or doing a full bike overhaul, we have the right tool for the job. This narrow lever is strong and versatile, perfect for a variety of situations. It also features a handy spoke hook for when you need extra leverage. Designed for comfort, this lever features an ergonomic shape. Its wide, flat tip makes tire removal quick and easy, and it includes a spoke hook for convenience. Experience superior strength with this ultra-strong lever, featuring a steel core. Its smooth, scratch-free operation and unique steel tip easily engage the tire bead. Crafted from durable materials and designed for optimal performance, these levers are built to last. They ensure smooth operation and reliable tire removal every time. Don't let a flat tire slow you down. These essential tools make repairs simple and efficient, getting you back on the road faster. What we like. As the industry standard, Park Tool offers unparalleled reliability and quality. This set includes levers with a steel core for superior strength and a smooth, scratch-free operation. If you demand professional-grade tools and want the best performance for frequent use or critical repairs, this is the set to choose. What people say. Tools hook nicely on spokes to help hold tire while taking it apart. Tools fit nicely in a bike bag. I put one lever in and pushed my hand down on the other side of the tire, and I was able to pull the tire over the edge of the hub with no problem. I've managed to snap a couple of similar tools, but these have held up really well so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.